What's going on, YouTube? Alrighty. We got some fresh hay put out. It's in the goat barn. Got the hay covered up for the rain. They seem to be enjoying themselves. Got one of the big trees cut down. As you can see, still got some cleanup to do on it. It stretched out, hit the pasture pen that I'm trying to do. It looks like there's a dead one. Let's see if I can find it on here. Right there. It goes up right there. That looks like it's dead. I'll have to check it out, or maybe it's just leaning. It's a pretty big old tree. Sturdy. We get some post out of it at least. And what else we done? I got my little helper with me. Oh, I'm tired. Had the chicks in the brooder home today. Come on, Bubba. Tobias. Come on. Come on, Bubby. Whoa, watch out. I gotta get out here and get all these sticks cleaned up. Stuff that I can't use as posts or braces or anything like that. Get all that cleaned up. Watch that stump, Bubba. I didn't make it to cut the grass today. Whoa, big boy. But it'll be all right. Got the garden tilled back up. I'm starting to mulch the rows, as you see. Got a big old pile here. Then I'm gonna go in, fence everything in, put a little gate there. So far, so good. Big helper is back with us. Get away from me. Come on. Come on. You want to see everybody see you get a pow on YouTube? We got everybody fed and watered. You going up there with your brothers? Alright. Y'all watch him. See? Put them on grass during the day. At nighttime, put them back in the brooder. You gotta cut all this jungle down. I'm trying to get some electric fence, but I don't know which would be best, the netting or single strands. Single strands would be cheaper. Got some fresh hay put out for these ladies. And my idea with the chicken coop, with all this growing up on it, chicken hawks can't see, or can't get what they can't see. They'd have to go through all the honeysuckles, all the vines, then chicken wire to get through it, to get to them. I haven't been able to get to the hen house, get some work in the greenhouse. Got it weeded down. Got to send the boys out here. What, Bubba? What? I don't know. If you don't know, then I don't know. Get him away from that well house. And the idea with these chip containers. You just cut them in half, and you got planters on both sides. Got some plants started there, potting soil. Got most of it weed eated down. I'm gonna come back and mulch everything in here, because I'm tired of fighting everything. I ain't did nothing with this garden patch yet, because I'm tired of breaking bolts in the tines. Yeah, we got a lot accomplished. Not much, but we put a dent in the to-do list for the farm. Well, you're supposed to keep them. You're supposed to keep an eye on them. They was yours. I guess you better start looking for them. There's 15 of them. You better find them.
Mommy, help me find baby fish. I'm not doing that my own self.
You don't know they're right there. I put them up for him. There's Sweet Pea in a little bit. Mama and her 3 babies. Oh, that one and that one are for sale. Luna we're going to keep and try to milk. And we're working with her to get her out of the skittishness. I know, I put them up for you.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who's that?
It's YouTube.
Oh, can you turn on? Oh. You got a YouTube channel?
Yes, I got a YouTube channel.
What's it called?
Lockridge Farms.
Lockers phone?
Lockridge Farms.
Lockers phone?
Yeah. Don't bring him out.
No, hold him.
No. Put them back in there. We don't want to stress them out too much. Well, we got a decent amount done. Where's your brother at?
Are you making another YouTube channel?
Yeah, but I need to find your brother. Landon, where's Tobias at?
Huh?
Where's Tobias?
He's in the house. Oh. I took him in the house.
I just asked you where he was at. You said you didn't know.
I thought you were talking about Landon.
No, I was talking about Tobias. Huh? Which one? He was born here. He came from the black and white goat. The big black and white goat. That's her son. Same with the solid white one over there. The black and white goat, Bubba and Sweet Pea are the original 3 that started here.
Who's the daddy?
That I couldn't tell you.
You don't know?
No, the black and white goat was pregnant when she got here.
I thought the daddy was Bubba.
No, Bubba's the daddy of the 3 in there, I believe. But
Bubba and Sweet Pea?
yeah. See, with this tree, I didn't do nothing but push it and it failed. It's starting to slowly open up. My only worry is these big, tall things. I hope they don't die. And I'm also finding tiny holes in them. Kind of like from beetles or something. Haven't seen nothing come out of them, but there's tiny holes in a bunch of them. Like all the dead ones. See, like there's no...
Tiny holes that tiny?
Oh, yeah. They're little tiny holes. I don't know if beetles are getting in them and killing them or what.
Kill them good.
The trees. So as long as the little thin ones die out, I can handle them. The big ones, we're gonna have to call somebody.
Yeah. To chop them down?
Yeah. And I kind of don't want to do that.
That's remember last time we
You don't have to call nobody. All you have to do is call my grandma.
Well, I got somebody that can come and do it. I don't want to call.
You know someone who'll do it, but you just don't want to call?
Yeah, I don't want to call unless I have to.
Remember to put the nose open?
Yeah, I remember I about busted my nose open.
I saw you earlier, man. I saw you do it earlier.
Well, we slowly getting there. You got the garden tilled up, got some mulch put
Does it
down.
have any gas in it?
I ain't got the key. The key is with the car in the shop.
The key is in the shop?
The key is with my car in the shop.
Oh, the key to your car is in your car, and the car is in the shop.
Yeah, right on the money. And this used to be another small garden, but I just let it grow up. I gotta get it weeded back down. There's some that ain't started growing nothing. But yeah. Got some spinach that's done went to seed. Gotta separate all of them, get them back in the ground. Get all of this tilled back up. I really hate tilling, but throw it in the trash. There's no telling what you're gonna find in this ground, Bubba.
I keep on finding cracks in the yard every day.
Well, keep throwing it in the trash till we get it all up. And the rain really put a damper on things yesterday. I wasn't able to get out here and do much of nothing. And last night, I didn't get into bed till late. Ended up sleeping all day just about. Will you get out of that water? Get out of the water. You silly duck. Gotta get all this grass cut. You got white clover. Seen some red clover here and there. Uh-oh. Woo, that was cold. You got squash, okra, watermelon, corn. I've got some peppers started.
Oh, snap.
See, I came in today, tilled up the rows. I missed a spot right there. Don't judge me. Then came back. I'm gonna start putting mulch in, working in between the plants. Then I'm gonna come back, fence everything up, put a little gate on it, and call it good. Try to beat this sprinkler over here. Well, that's what we've been working on. Still got a ton of stuff to do. Gotta worm the goats. I'm behind on it. Got some of these saplings I'm gonna get cut down, used for braces, posts, all of that for this pen. But I'm just gonna keep chipping away at it till I get it done. A little bit. What you doing, Bubba? But y'all share what you know. Everybody needs a little help from time to time. If there's something that I'm doing and you think I might be doing it wrong, by all means, let me know. I'm open to suggestions, information, and advice to help me improve what I'm doing. Because we're all learning. I am not a professional at all of this. Never claimed to have been. Chickens I know some about, but I'm trying a new adventure with the chickens. As far as trying to make a all natural coverage to prevent chicken hawks from getting them. And as far as the goats, if you see anything that I can change, I can better improve on, or hell, something that you just want to see done, let me know. I will get it done. And y'all check out Cackle Hatchery. They're great, family owned. Been doing this for years and years and years with chickens. They're very knowledgeable about chickens. Any problems that you will have or could have as far as shipping, any questions, they actually take the time to talk to you like somebody and make sure your problem is fully handled before you get off the phone with them. And the brooder home I did a review on yesterday. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to leave a comment, message me, go check them out, ask questions, and they'll set you up. And the chicks, if you have any questions about them, they are barred rocks or Plymouth rocks. No, y'all not going in the road.
Not in the road, like right there in the little piece.
You cross that driveway, and the whole world gonna see you get a pow. Yeah, if you 1 inch on that road, the whole world will see you get a pow.
He's talking about, like, you know.
I don't have a problem with him this side of the road. If he's on the other side of the road or in the road, that's my problem. He knows he don't go in the road.
I'm allowed to ride my bike in the road.
Not here. There's people come around that curve right there flying. There's people that come down that way flying. No. Not being mean. I can't take that chance.
You just can't take it.
Hey.
One of us get hit.
Yeah, one of y'all get hit, it's the end of me. Well, yeah. There's Jasper, Bubba. Well, I'm gonna get off here. Try to get some more stuff done for nighttime, folks. But like I said, y'all share what you know. And I am open to any comments, suggestions, any information. And y'all please like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day.